Hey guys, Greg Gentini here with Detectichem. I'm here with Officer Moss from Manchester, Connecticut Police Department. And today we're going to be talking about MobileDetect and the best ways to use the product for suspected opiates, different narcotics, how to field test safely, and how to get the best results using the product.
I've been a police officer for about 10 years now. I'm over in the traffic office, so we typically conduct DUI enforcement, as well as a lot of times I'll find myself with narcotics inside the vehicle, and I'll seize those narcotics and conduct further investigations later on. Some of the dangers that we run into is people being exposed to like fentanyl, especially, and heroin. That's been kind of an issue lately. It's been a big epidemic, and that's kind of what we're concerned about.
We're going to move on. I'm going to show you MobileDetect. I'm going to show you how it works and hopefully get you to start using them. Okay, so we're here in our drug lab. We're going to go through a couple different types of packaging material and how to use the MobileDetect pouches and the MobileDetect app. I do want to note though, the Seeker handheld product, it will also do drugs as well as explosives. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use the multi-drug test. The multi-drug test does fentanyl, analogs, heroin, cocaine, meth, MDMA, all in a single test. So it's real different from what you've used in the past. If you were trying to field test all those different drugs, you'd probably have to use a couple different kits, right?
Correct.
Right, okay. So when you use the multi-drug test, it's the only test we have with 2 swabs. So you're going to use both swabs on the same sample. What we're going to do, we're going to take the first swab out. We're going to take one of these corner bags here, pretty common packaging around the country. The rule of thumb is you want to sample closest to the material inside. So for a corner bag, that's going to be swabbing right on the top of the knot. Circular motion there. So you take the first swab, you insert it halfway down, it'll naturally stop right above the window here. You take the second swab, you're going to sample the same exact area. You're not going to do a different sample, same one, same place. Swab the top of that knot. If you can fan out some of the plastic above the knot, that's even better. Swab, I'm going to insert the second swab. From here, you're ready to start the reaction. I'm going to snap the ampules, give it a shake to get those reagents pooling down. And then I'm going to have Jason here do the final test with the MobileDetect app.
All right, show them how easy it is.
So all I have to do is just hit the start test, then scan the QR code, hit continue, and it says positive test, positive detection.
For fentanyl. So that's as easy as it is. And besides the app being able to automate this whole process, the color legend is on each of these pouches as well, so you can get a visual indication of what type of drug it is. But the real benefit on the app here, and you tell me if you think this is beneficial, you can take time, date stamp, additional pictures, notes, GPS location, which can be turned off. But the real nice part that we get a lot of great feedback on is you can instantly convert this into a PDF report for your probable cause. Email it, text it immediately. Valuable?
Absolutely.
Yeah.